we will talk about the Cold War, which took place between the year 1945 to 1962. Cold War was a period when there was no actual fighting of the war, but there were conditions that were created कि भाई पाछो एक war थई सकसे. That is why this time is called as Cold War. There was no actual war fought. Okay, remember this. There was no war fought, but there were creation of situation wherein you could feel that another war is going to happen. Okay. Though the World War II got over, it resulted in creation of America and Russia as superpowers while placing England and France. So before World War II, England and France were the superpowers. Superpower એટલે they were very very rich. They controlled the world basically. But after World War II, okay, it was USA and Russia. They became the superpower instead of England and France. Okay. In the war, England, France, Russia, America were together, but Russian administrative policy created differences and thus America and England separated. So what happened is that when World War II happened, Russia, USA, England, France, they all were together in one team fighting in the war. Okay, they were together, they were fighting against Germany, Japan and all these countries. Okay, so they were together, but after the World War II got over, because of the policies, because of the government rules and regulations of Russia, England and America, they separated themselves and Russia became all alone. Okay, a strong competition between the two superpowers, that is America and Russia, to establish supremacy over the world emerged after the Second World War. So after the Second World War got over, there was lot of competition. Both USA and Russia wanted to become superpowers. They wanted to be the topmost. They wanted to be number one, and that is why they were against each other. They were facing competition against each other. The power was centralized between two poles, America and Russia. Now what happened was that the world got divided into two parts, America and Russia. There were some countries who supported America. There were other countries who supported Russia. So it became polar. Polar એટલે પોલ કેવા હોય? એક સાઈડ પોલ અહીંયા હોય. પોલ એટલે થાંભલો. થાંભલો એક સાઈડ અહીંયા હોય અને એક સાઈડ બીજી જગ્યાએ થાંભલો હોય, right? So it's divided. So the world was divided like that. Either you were in America's side or either you were in Russia's side. And that is why this time was called as the bipolar world. Okay, remember, bipolar world. Why? Because people, other countries had to choose the side whether they want to be with the USA or whether they want to be with Russia. There were extremely tense relations between two power blocks, and this phase is known as Cold War phase. At various incidents, both the superpowers about came into the conflict with one another. So what happened is that this phase, this period of time is called as Cold War. There were a lot of times when both these superpowers, that is America and Russia, they came into tussle with each other, that they were going to fight. There was going to be a time when conflict was going to happen, but however there was no war. Thankfully there was no war. There was a basic change in relations among powerful nations of the world after World War. America and the Soviet Union, who had once allied and fought against Nazi Germany and Italy, emerged as the leaders of two rival power blocks and military power. So at that point of time, Russia was called as Soviet Union. Okay, it's later on after the Cold War, Russia came. But earlier it was called as Soviet Union. Okay, that was the original name of Russia. Like how it was, we had Bombay and now we have Mumbai. Okay, like that. So what happened is that when the World War II was fought, okay, we had Soviet Union and we had America together fought against Germany, who together fought against Italy. But after World War II got over, they became rival meaning they became enemy of each other. They wanted to become powerful, not only in terms of economy but also in the terms of military, that they wanted to become very very powerful. Thus Cold War started between them. Though Britain and France had also emerged victorious, yet they had lost the status of great power due to terrible ruination caused by the ravages of the world and ending of imperialism. So what happened was that obviously England and France were also on the winning side. England and France also won the World War II. But after World War II, they were affected a lot. Their economy was down, okay? They did not have money, and slowly their imperialism એટલે their policy of forming colony, okay? Their policy of colony, like how India was colony of British, okay? So their hold over India, their hold over other countries was becoming less and less. By the year 1945, you already know that India was fighting for independence, right? And there were a lot of movements that were there to fight for independence. So their hold over countries like India, Sri Lanka, other countries, okay, Pakistan, all their control over these countries was slowly ending. And because of that, now Britain and France were not as powerful as they were before the World War II. After the World War, Soviet Union captured Eastern Germany, Austria, Albania, Hungary, Yugoslavia and Czechoslovakia, Romania, Bulgaria and Baltic states. So all these places were captured by Soviet Union. That is, they took them under them. Later on, they gave up their power to the Communist Party who were there in this region. Meaning કે એ લોકોએ આ જગ્યા ભલે capture કરી હોય, but after some time જે યાની પાર્ટી હતી, જે કમ્યુનિસ્ટ પાર્ટી હતી આ બધી જગ્યાએ, એ કમ્યુનિસ્ટ પાર્ટીને એને રૂલ કરવા માટે આપી દીધું હતું. This party was of their people only. मतलब આ લોકોની જ પાર્ટી હતી, તો એ લોકોને રૂલ કરવા આપી દીધું, but they had captured all these places. Now these parties which were there in these places, they supported Russia. Okay, so that is why the power was given to these parties. So what happened after the war? They captured, who captured? Russia. Okay, remember Russia captured Eastern Germany, Australia, Albania, Hungary, Yugoslavia, Czechoslovakia. But later on they gave their power to the Communist Party who were there in these places. And these Communist parties supported the Soviet Union or the Russia. During the year 1949, nuclear test was conducted by the Soviet Union, challenging the monopolistic nuclear power of America. So what happened? You know that in the World War II, America had used the nuclear weapon against Japan. But in the year 1949, Soviet Union did their first nuclear test, challenging America કે ભાઈ અમે બી nuclear power establish કરી શકીએ છીએ. Even we have the power to start our own nuclear weapon. Okay, obviously. Meanwhile, democratic governments were formed in Western Europe. Okay, in Western Europe or in Western region, you had the democratic government that came into existence. Now I'll just revise back what we did. Cold War. Okay, this was the war which was fought between the year 1945 to year 1962. Before World War II, who were the two superpowers? England and France were the superpowers. After the World War II ended, who were the two superpowers? USA and Russia. During World War II, you had USA, Russia, England, France. They fought together in World War II. But after World War II got over, USA and Russia became superpowers, and Russia had different administrative policy, different government policy, because of which Russia and America started having problems with each other. They were facing strong competition. Both of them wanted to become superpower. They wanted to be the topmost thing. Entire world was divided into two parts. Either you could be with America or either you could be with Russia. There was lot of tension, and this period of time is called as the Cold War time. During that point of time, Soviet Russia, okay, or Soviet Union, that is Russia, captured Germany, Australia, Albania, Hungary, Yugoslavia and Czechoslovakia. Later on, the power to rule these countries was given to the Communist Party who were there in these places. The Communist Party obviously supported the Soviet Russia. That is why the power was given to Communist Party. In the year 1949, Soviet Russia conducted the nuclear test, telling or challenging America that you are not only the superpower to conduct the nuclear test. Even we can conduct a nuclear test. There were different democratic governments that were formed in the Western Europe.